get ready to close just in case. Alright, YouTube, so quick one. I'm about to get into a trade. I'm gonna do 21 buy, just like that. And then we're going to see. I want to see how this does. So we have a buy setup right now. I'm feeling pretty confident about this trade. If you can hear my computer in the back, hopefully it's not that bad. But I'm feeling pretty confident about this. I want to maybe go for these highs up here. See if we can go for the highs. See if price wants to go there. We're looking insanely bullish. And this was a nice breakout candle. So first take profit is literally only 4 points. We low-key want more than 4 points. Maybe about 6 points or so. There's one account that didn't get on, and that's a 100k challenge that I'm doing, which is in a little bit of profit. So if we go back and draw down, so just like that, if we go back and draw down, then I'm going to get in on my other account as well. Oh my days, spreads, what the hell? Oh, spreads were horrible there. And I'm risking 1%. This is the live equity edge account that we're trading at the moment. Don't look at the trim, guys. Don't look at the trim. So yeah, we're gonna see. I ain't doing a live trading video in a minute. I genuinely ain't doing one of these in a minute. I miss it though. I do miss live trading videos. I'm quite confident about this setup though. We are coming off high time frame zone. That this is not the rejection that we like to see. Structure looks nice as well. Everything just looks super clean. Everything is screaming buys on GU. First trade of the week as well. It's Monday, so we don't really want to start off. We don't want to start off with a loss. I do want to try to see if we can get a 1 to 2 on this trade. I do need some runners, I can't lie. I'm in a bit of drawdown on this account. I'll show you guys. We're down about like literally almost 4% on this account, which is not ideal. It's literally been a rough start to the month. Price action's been horror for me. It's been absolutely crap, but it is what it is. This candle's not good. This candle's not good at all. It might get stopped out here, low key. We do have the 13 moving average right here, which is kind of like protecting our stops at the moment. It's nice to have your stops below a moving average because hopefully price can bounce off the moving average and push up, but we want to see if that's what it wants to do, because that candle was not looking good whatsoever. Obviously, I've seen breakouts go into like ridiculous amounts of drawdown. I've probably got a video on that as well, that I've recorded, like a live trading video, where it's gone into a ridiculous amount of drawdown and we still won the trade, because even like right now we're back in profit. But just that sell momentum going down, it's just not what we want to see at all in the first place, to be honest. I'm gonna try to be consistent on YouTube. I feel like I say that every single time I post. Every single time I post, I say, yeah, I'm gonna be consistent on YouTube. But I do love YouTube. Like, YouTube's actually like the best platform over short forms. Like, would I rather post YouTube videos or make short form content? I would 100% pick YouTube videos. So I need to just stop slacking on this, because YouTube's actually like my baby. I actually don't really give a fuck about short form, let's be real. Like TikToks, Instagram, all that. I lucky want to delete it, but YouTube is where it's at. I'm actually gonna start posting consistently, deadass, like deadass. Watch this. The rest of 2026, we're gonna be posting consistently. I don't know what to post though. I don't want to be doing live. Actually, I could do live trading videos forever, low key, because I'm always gonna be trading. You know what? Positive mindset. I feel like this is gonna win. This is going to be a winner. We're going to start the week off with a win. Even though this candle looks horrible, it's going to flip us back into profit. We're going to get one big fat push up. Now, like I was saying, I've done this in a previous video. You just got to be positive. You got to envision the trade winning. Envision the trade winning and it will flip. Look at this. We're in drawdown. It's going to flip. Alright, so still messing around in drawdown. This is where they say trading the waiting game, because this is where the psychology can really get to you. When you're just floating in drawdown, it's not really doing anything. Is it going to hit your stop loss? Is it going to push up and take profit? We do not know, and there's no point trying to assume, trying to predict. It's either just, it's going to do one of the two. It's literally either going to do one of the two. And right now it's looking like a SL, but which is fine. It's obviously like no one wants to hit SL start of the week, but it actually is what it is. I'm gonna get ready to close just in case. Okay. I mean, oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna close. That's 1-to-1. I'm gonna close some partials right there. Move my stop loss to break even. I'll close some partials. Let's flipping go, guys. Let's go. And then I might get stopped out at break even here with this momentum. I have no clue what that candle was. That's actually a Drake candle, and the markets are just. I looked down for 2 seconds. Let me just show you. Let me just actually, like wow. We all seen that. We all seen that, and this is the type of price action that I've been having to deal with for the whole month of April. Like that is literally the type of price action. It's just been these ridiculous moves. Like I actually don't know what to say. And there's a buy on gold right now. All right, so I'm in my second setup of the day, which is on gold, and I only take two trades max. So this is literally the only trade I want to take now. We did make a bit off the GU trade that we just took, and as you can see, it's literally not even that much. Like that was literally like 5 minutes ago. I got in pretty much instantly. But yeah, that was crazy. Like, what the flip was going on GU? And I wasn't even planning on recording this because I already got the win. But I was like, I guess instead of doing a live trading day or like a live trading video, I could just do the whole trading session, like everything I take, instead of just the one trade and then cut the cameras. But I was sat there for like 20 minutes, bro, like waiting for that trade to play out, and we were in drawdown. We were in profit for how much? Like for like 30 seconds. We were in drawdown for the entirety of that trade, like the entirety of the 20 minutes. That didn't make no sense. It's almost there. It's almost at 1-to-1. Almost at our 1-to-1. 2 for 2 on the day wouldn't be bad. I don't want to jinx anything. Do not come back down and stop me out. But 2 for 2 on the day would not be bad. Let me be real. That would not be a bad start to the week. Because I need a good week, bro. 3% in drawdown. Let me show you guys the account. Alright, so we started off with a loss, then we had 2 wins, then we just took a payout from the 2 wins, then we had a win, then a loss, then we had 2 really small wins. These are just partial profits. The trade didn't run. And then we had like 2 losses. I think this was execution error, human error. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses in a row. 5 losses in a row. Now I didn't actually have 5 losses in a row, but because I was rotating my trades, I had an account that was eating up all the wins, and then I had an account that was eating up all the losses. So yeah, I'm still trying to figure out what's best for my strategy. Is it to rotate the accounts, or do I just trade the accounts? And as you know, with these prop firms, you can't copy trade. So like I've got an account with funded next, and I have an account with funded pips, one of them, I don't know what it's called, and then equity edge as well. And they don't let you copy trade, so I can't just trade from one terminal and then you know, take the trade on this equity edge and it will copy trade over. Like say on futures, you can have trade sync or even social trader. They don't allow that. That's against the rules, which just makes it even more difficult for me to scale first of all, and then to enter trades, because I have to enter on my phone. Like, and that's also another reason why I wasn't doing live trading videos, is because I used to record on my phone, but now I needed my phone for execution. It's literally almost at my TP. It's almost at my TP. As soon as it wicks that TP, I'm gonna close. I don't want to close 0.5 actually. I'm gonna close half. I'm gonna close half my positions, because I do feel like this will give a runner. I can't lie. Actually, I'm gonna close 0.3. I do need a runner. Okay, it did wick my TP, so it did just wick my take profit. I'm gonna use stops to break even right here, and then we are gonna go for a 1-to-2. Oh damn, I think I closed a bit early on my first position. Wait, on my days I did close too early. I closed about 1 point too early, which is like not that deep. Maybe a little bit about 2 points too early. We might not get this 1-to-2. We genuinely might not get this 1-to-2. And we did just take out the highs, which if price didn't want to push up, where would it usually go? Take out the highs people who are selling, their stop loss would be there, and then if the actual move was to sell, then obviously they've just got the liquidity for that. Take out the sellers and then push down, but I think gold can be bullish, low-key. It does need to fill that gap as well. I low-key don't know what gold wants to do, and I'm not even going to say that because back to what I was saying with the GU trade, that looked like that wanted to hit stop loss, and then lo and behold, shot up out of nowhere. And this looks like, I don't know, it looks like he doesn't know what he wants to do at the moment. But we have to remember as well, like, the markets don't just go like that. They don't just have these huge swings, like up, retracement, up, retracement. So even if it did want to go up, it could go on a little retracement and then do the push up. Because, like, you're not just going to buy forever. Like, sellers will regain control. Like, sellers are trying to push the market down. Let's just hope they don't win. Oh, Discord community in the description as well. It's free. May as well join. I do want to make a paid one though, because obviously I love money and I can actually help people get better at trading. And there's a lot of, you know, people online throwing like fake information and shit. So I ain't gonna say it's easy, but I can definitely help people. A lot of the time your struggles are discipline, over trading, psychology, not believing in your strategy, trying to tweak, you're not knowing how to actually improve a strategy, things like that, not knowing how to actually improve psychology. I'm not saying I got all the answers, but, like, you know what I'm saying, I've been there. I'm not saying that I'm the best trader in the world or anything like that, but should I show you just April, because I'm down crazy in April. Where is it? Last month, -3% right now. I'm pretty sure I was -5% at some point. Yeah, it probably was, because look, my like these basically made 2%. I was at -5%, bro. It's actually peak. Like, April's just been killing me. And then oh, hold on. Yo, what are you saying? Wait, I'm recording. Do you want to feature in the video? Yeah. Okay, wait, cool. Wait, FaceTime. Guys, we got the goal. Oh, we got the goal. Okay, so imagine. Oh, you gotta watch this video when it comes out. I was in a trade on GU, was in drawdown for ages, spiked up on a random one. Where's my camera? Yeah, spiked up on a random one. Yeah, and then I hit take profit, got a little bit of partials, but then it took me out of break even. So I secured a little bit of partials on GU. Now we're in gold, and yeah, I'm in gold. Trade hits 1-to-1, so I've secured partials again, but I want to get some, like, I want to try to get 1-to-2. So now we're holding for a 1-to-2. Yeah, in a long. Okay, yeah, this don't look good. This kind of looks like it's gonna just stop us out. You see what I was talking about before about breaking below. This is the range line. Yeah, I'm gonna add a line. This is the range. And yeah, but it is looking like it wants to break out, but I do genuinely feel like if we start pushing down to like this area, especially if we break these lows right here, which it looks like it's about to do, we're cooked, we're finished, we're genuinely finished. But right now I don't know. It'd be quite a bummer having 2 trades only go for 1-to-1, and I also closed a little bit of partials on both, so it's not even like I got a full 1-to-1 on both where I can say I secured 2R today. I didn't want both to have a runner, you know, close partials, leave a runner. Yeah, I'm out. Damn, that is very tough, but it is what it is. If this starts rejecting now, then it is what it is. But like I said before, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, Instagram on screen, Discord in the description. In a bit.